Ciao picciotte e picciotti! Ciao from Sicily!
Good morning!
We are live and we are fine.
Guys, perhaps this is the real first day of lockdown, because outside it's raining and so we can go out.
That's the very reason why we are in our kitchen. Why, Gianca?
I don't know, because perhaps Rosella would like to share with you some traditional Sicilian dish.
Yes, it's a mix of recipes. It's not just one recipe.
Did you invent some?
Yes. I
Okay.
made a mix of different recipes because I think that one recipe means something and another one could be better, so I made a mix.
Can I say that you are enriching one of the most popular dishes in Sicily? That's the traditional pasta with zucchini,
Yeah.
with another special ingredient.
Yeah, so let's go to talk about the ingredients, but first, Gianca, please also check is the live streaming.
Guys, this is the traditional Sicilian zucchini. How do you call it?
Zucchini. Zucchini genovese.
Genovese from Genoa, Genova. So this is the most traditional one to make pasta. Don't be wrong. Don't confuse it with the longer, the bigger zucchini. This is another kind of zucchini.
Yes.
So this is the best for pasta.
Yeah. The other one also for pasta, but like minestrone,
Yeah.
soup.
Some soup.
So different. Gianca, please check if the broadcast is on, because guys, this is a live broadcast, no recorded video.
Yeah.
And so please share this live broadcast with your friends and invite them to like our page.
Everybody's watching now.
Oh, ciao!
Dolores, Rosa. I miss my glasses, guy.
No.
Anna Maria.
You
Nico-
can jump to the other floor to
Yeah.
check them. And I can start.
Guys, I left my glasses in the other floor where we have our office, so I should go outside.
Running because outside is going to rain.
But don't worry.
No,
I can read. I can read.
I
I can
prefer.
read. I can read.
Okay. So let's go to the other ingredients.
Show the ingredients.
So.
My favorite ingredients. So guys, this is the traditional grana padano cheese, a big piece. And now I will manage to make flakes.
Yes.
So scaglie di grana cheese flakes.
Yeah.
Then we have lemons.
Lemons, mint, olive oil, of course.
Show the olive oil. I'm gonna show the red onion, guys. So this is the red onion from Tropea, from Calabria, and Rosella's already chopped it.
Yes, chopped onion, garlic,
Some garlic.
and then as already Gianca told you, 2 zucchini genovese, and this is the right shape. I'm going to show you, but you have to cut like this, very small
Thin.
stripes.
Yeah, thin stripes. And salt, of course.
Look at this.
Some pepper. Some capsicum pepper. This is very dangerous, guys. This is the very dangerous pepper from my garden. And oops.
Oh,
And what else? Oh,
pasta, of course.
So this is not spaghetti. In Rosella's opinion, this kind of pasta works better.
Yes.
Can you show it? I wash my hand.
We call farfallette. So
Butterflies.
butterfly, yes. And so let's go to cook together. Please. I want to say again, I'm not a professional chef, I'm not a food blogger.
What do you do in your life?
I'm a travel consultant. I want to remember you, so please forgive my mistakes in the kitchen, because this is not my job. Normally I manage tour of Sicily, and since we are in a lockdown, we can share the beauties of Sicily in a different way.
We spend our time in a different way, also in a positive way. Of course, you can compare a beautiful tour of Sicily with a cookery lesson with Rosella, but we do our best, guys, to give you some special moments and to bring some traditional Sicilian things to you guys. So,
it's also a way to stay, to keep in touch, no?
Yeah.
To share our energy with you, and also this is how can I say,
a connection.
A connection, yes, you can keep.
A relationship.
Also, there are a lot of people with Sicilian origin, and so we want to give you the chance to keep the connection with your homeland alive and strong. And when everything will be over, we are here waiting for you to plan a memorable tour of Sicily. So, let's go!
Can we say something about what we did this morning?
Yes, and in the meantime I cut the zucchini, so you can talk.
Guys, we worked this morning for you, of course, because we don't manage only private tours of Sicily. We also manage a group tour of Sicily, small group tour of Sicily once a year, and we've been working for the new edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour. Can we say that it will be in June 2020. Now we are working on the dates.
What do you think about June, guys? Write in the comments. Are you available?
So June is our favorite month, and now we are working to put together the accommodations. So of course now we are in a lockdown, so everybody has been forced to postpone their tours in Sicily, and so also accommodation had to postpone their rooms to another possible date. So we are now working in advance, because if we should if we would work in in September or in October, it would be late. So
yes,
that's the best way to work.
Yes, because probably the 2021 could be a very
busy year for us.
Yeah.
Because everybody will travel to Sicily.
Yeah.
Not only the people who want to travel in 2021, but also people who had to travel in 2020. And of course they can travel this year. So it will be very busy year.
Yes, because the best hotels could be completely booked in advance.
Very soon. This is the very difficult situation for us. So we have to be ready to work in advance, to avoid the risk to have everything full. So
I have the 2 zucchini in small stripes like this. So this is the right size and the right shape. And also I want to say you that in Sicily we don't use to peel eggplants, we don't use to peel zucchini, and
Why?
because it's not necessary,
Because
and also because the skin contains all the properties.
But we have to say that we only use organic food.
Yeah.
So the organic zucchini, the organic eggplants are delicious and are very healthy. So you don't need to peel the skin, the outside part of the vegetables. You lose a lot of vitamins and you lose some very, how do you say, yummy food. So I'm trying to...
Someone asked me what I'm going to do. So I'm going to share with you my recipe. I can say that this is a mix of recipes, and I'm going to make pasta with zucchini and lemon zest. It's a very fresh dish, so perfect for the spring or summertime, because you can eat also not very hot but also cold.
Vai avanti perché sennò dura 3 ore questa diretta.
Okay. So in a pot you can put olive oil and the garlic. I'm using 3 pieces of garlic.
Pieces.
And I need first to light the fire. I forgot to light the fire.
Well done.
I'm a very professional chef, Gianca, so this is the truth. It's my job, you can see. I'm a desperate housewife, guys. And so I can put also the chopped onion to have 3 or 4 minutes of sofrito. I forgot this, yeah. Some salt. Gianca, what are you doing?
So I'm ready with the grana padano cheese flakes.
I think that the quantity is perfect. Bravo, Gianca. And now, how you can help me?
I can watch you.
No.
This is the best I can.
No. It's the time to...
Okay, I can peel the lemons.
Yes, are you able to do?
I try.
Uh-huh.
So give me...
So guys, let's see what Gianca can do.
This is the best I can. So, please.
You can
Thank
stay here because it's better for the camera.
Usually I use the knife.
No.
Are you sure that's better?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I can... I'm going to cut the meat. I don't know if they can see you. Let me check. Yes, they can see. Ciao! Gianca, in the meantime, I want to say something about
our last nights.
No, before, about our newsletter is coming.
Ah, okay.
Because a lot of our Facebook followers, like you, are asking us how can I can know about your next live streaming, because sometimes, especially in this moment, because of the large quantity, large amount of traffic on Facebook, maybe Facebook is not able to advise everybody when we are live, and so
To alert.
yes, and so we decide what, Gianca.
So, as you know, we are working on our new website, and we are creating a new section in our website dedicated to you. So it will be a newsletter, so you can be ready to know in advance if we are doing new live streams, new live broadcasts. So you will receive the communication as soon as we decide to go live. So
because we don't have a date, a fixed date.
Yeah.
We are.
We never know when we
Yes.
go live, so we decide every day. So it's when we get up, we say, okay, we can do a live stream. So we don't have any program. So it could be a chance for you to know in advance if we go live.
So in the next day. So when we go live, you receive an alert from us saying, okay, Gianca and Rosella is going live, so it's time to check my Facebook account.
Rosella, why don't you talk about our last few nights?
Few nights? 6 nights.
6 nights.
Gianca, yes, 6 nights.
So we had to study again something important for us and for you. A lot of people love the Godfather film and the Godfather filming location here in Sicily. We used to provide a lot of Godfather tours in Sicily.
Yeah.
But of course, we don't know everything. We don't know all locations that Francis Ford Coppola used to shoot the movie The Godfather. So we have seen again for the 4th or the 5th time the Godfather trilogy,
Yeah.
just to be sure which are the locations, the filming location where Francis Ford Coppola shot the movie. And we had a couple of surprises.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to say there are at least 4 different locations in East Sicily. A lot of people thinks that Corleone is the main location. Corleone is not the filming location of Godfather. Only in the novel by Mario Puzo, Corleone is the location. But in the movie, Francis Ford Coppola went to Savoca, first of all, then to Forza d'Agro. They are not in West Sicily, not near Palermo as Corleone is. They are near Taormina and near Catania. So if you want to visit the Godfather filming location, forget Corleone. Then I would say the Castle of the Slaves. Then I would say the Don Ciccio's villa. And if you are in Palermo, you can visit the Massimo Opera House. That's a masterpiece, guys. Not necessary because of the Godfather. The Massimo Opera House is the third largest opera house in the world. It's a beautiful building. And Francis Ford Coppola chose the Massimo Opera House for the Godfather Part 3. Do you remember when Mary, Michael Corleone's daughter, has been killed in the staircase? That was the Massimo Opera House in Palermo. So this is the only location in West Sicily. The other locations are in the east part of Sicily. So first of all, Savoca. If you go to Savoca, guys, you can miss the opportunity to sit in at Bar Vitelli, so the location when Michael Corleone met his father-in-law and
asked for
Apollonia to be his future wife. And don't miss the chance to visit the church of San Nicolò when the Godfather wedding took place, or the Castle of the Slaves and the Don Ciccio's villas. In Forza d'Agro you can see other locations, but I think the most important filming location is Savoca. Savoca is a very nice ancient village, not so distant from Taormina. This is our bestseller day trip from Taormina. So from Taormina to the Godfather filming locations. And I want to say something. In the meantime, Rosella's cooking, I would like to celebrate one of my favorite actors ever. I think it's not an actor, it's a monster. He's a brilliant, very good actor. I mean Al Pacino, guys, Al Pacino. And he's I would say, I'm very proud because Al Pacino has a Sicilian origin. Yeah. As you know, Al Pacino's grandparents were from Sicily. From the side of his grandfather is from San Fratello, a little village near Messina, and from the side of his grandmother is from Corleone. So it's ironically is in his destiny. He had the role of the Godfather. And Al Pacino, or Al Pacino, as you say, will celebrate his 80 years in 3 days. He was born in April 25, 1940. So, happy birthday, Al Pacino, and thank you for this great role you made in The Godfather.
Maybe he's watching us, Gianca. I don't know, Al Pacino, if you are watching.
You never know, guys. If you are watching, thank you so much. You are wonderful.
Guys, what do you think about the trilogy? Which one do you prefer? Write in the comments. We are curious.
Can I say something about The Godfather?
Yes, only a moment, Gianca, because I want to say that I just put off the fire. And when the fire is off, you can add the juice of 2 lemons, like this, and you have to stir again. So you don't need to cook so much the zucchini, because we prefer zucchini al dente. Okay?
You have to show the pan. So this, okay.
You are taller than me.
Okay?
Yes. You can put over there again. the red hot chili pepper here.
Be careful.
And this is for you, Gianca. This is your job. Yes, you can put here.
I prefer use this.
Okay.
So, guys, this is very, very dangerous. I have to cut and then I have to wash my hands. So, in the meantime, I will say something about The Godfather. It's a masterpiece, guys. It's a beautiful movie. But when I was young and when I used to go abroad, all people told me, "Oh, you're Sicilian," so everybody thought about mafia instantly. So, "Oh, you're Sicilian, so you're a mafia man," and they laugh, and I go crazy. I went crazy. But then I realized that guys, they were just how do you say, film lovers, because it's a masterpiece. So I think it's one of the, in particular, part one.
Yeah.
Can I say? I don't know you guys, but I prefer the part one. Part one is absolutely gorgeous. Everything, direction, music, screenplay, the actors, but in particular the screenplay is wonderful. And so I realized why people used to come to Sicily to visit the Godfather filming location. And if you want, Rosella, I could sing something.
Yes, because I have had the lemon zest. Also, I can add the mint and the pepper. The red hot chili pepper.
Guys, are you ready
And
for
then,
my next bad impression?
and so we have time because we are waiting for the pasta. Okay, I'm almost ready. So I'm ready to listen you, Gianca. Let me check the live stream, the live broadcast is it works. Yes, there are a lot of people.
Can I?
Yes, you can.
First I sing and play and then I explain the
Okay.
song.
Yes.
Okay. I pray for my eyes because I'm blind, guys. I don't know the lyrics,
Do you
so
need the
I have to read.
Do you need the glasses?
No, don't worry. Brucia la luna in cielo e io brucio d'amore. Fotoca si consuma come un lume cori. L'anima ghianci addurata, unzita pacifista e nama la nottata. Brucia la terra mia, brucia come cori. I siti d'acqua, da io siti d'amore. A cula canto, la me canzoni, si un cenno tu casa faccia lo barconi, lo tempo passa, ma una giorna non c'è mai soli, si dà un torna. faccia l'ubarcuri, brucia la terra mia e io brucio d'amori.
Bravo! Bravo! Well done! Well done!
Please forgive me. So this is my, this is the lyrics, and this is a beautiful song. Actually, the Godfather soundtrack didn't have any lyrics, only music, only wonderful music by Nino Rota, a composer from Milan. Then the the Godfather Part 1 is from 1972. In the years later, someone add lyrics to the music. In particular, Andy Williams composed the Speak Softly Love, and then they translated these beautiful lyrics in Italian, and we have two versions. So we have Parla più piano from Johnny Dorelli and Gianni Morandi, two famous Italian singers, and then another Sicilian songwriter wrote Brucia la terra, so the land is burning. And few years later, when Francis Ford Coppola filmed The Godfather Part 3, they included this version, this new version with Sicilian lyrics into the soundtracks. So, Brucia la terra is a wonderful, tragic, dramatic love song. It talks, of course, about Michael Corleone, who means his first wife, Apollonia. So he says, Brucia la terra, brucia lumegori. It means the land is burning, Sicily is burning, and also my heart is burning because I'm suffering this death, because my wife has been killed by the mafia man. So guys, perhaps in the next live streams I will show you other important aspects of this song. I will translate the entire song for you. In the meantime, let's see what Rosella is doing, because I don't know anything about about culinary traditions. So I only eat, I only enjoy our great dishes.
Don't worry, Gianca.
What are you doing?
So the pasta is very al dente, because you know one of the secrets is to mix the pasta with the other ingredients, and so it's the time to put the pasta into the pot and mix.
If you want
together.
I can closer if you want.
Maybe now you can.
Yeah.
And so you have to see. A lot of people are watching the cat on the window. They love them. Write in the they write in the comments. This is a cat without family, and we decide to adopt him because we love animals.
Where is Ginevra?
I don't know where he is.
Oh, I can show the beautiful day outside.
Okay.
Guys. So guys, this is the reason why we are making the live stream inside. Sicily is not always a sunny land, but we are okay. This is the most important thing. And Rosella is making his pasta dish.
Yes, with zucchini and lemon zest. And if your pasta is too much dry, you can add some water from the pasta, of course. Okay. And at the end we can add the cheese. And we can turn off the fire. Now you have to stir again.
I have found the cat.
Oh!
I have found my daughter. Say hello to the world. Hi guys, I'm Ginevra. Ginevra, say hello. Don't be shy. Ciao guys, I'm Ginevra. What is doing, Rosella?
I'm making pasta. I don't know if she wants pasta. And
No, Rosella, Ginevra only eats meat, sausage, pork meat.
And now we are ready to eat the Gianca. Not right now, because as I told you, it's better if your pasta could rest for about 5 minutes. So the
5 minutes?
yes, because of the lemon, the lemon need to be eat not too hot. It's better in a cold way.
Okay.
So 5 minutes, but
I trust you.
we can say bye bye if you want.
Let me put the camera on the tripod again.
So this is the result, guys.
No, they can see it. Okay.
They can see now.
Okay. I think it's good. It's very
We want to test the Gianca? Let's go to test.
color.
Where is my fork? Here.
Wait. I'm afraid about the
Temperature?
the red hot chili pepper, but I could die during this live broadcast. I try. Very good.
How is it?
Very good. I go on. you say hello to our friends. I go on.
Yes, because in Sicily it's very late. We spend all this morning working, and so we are late for our lunch. So again, thanks for your love. Thank you for supporting us. If you like this live broadcast, please share with your friends. Invite them to follow us. Don't forget also to subscribe our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram.
I'm proud of Rosella.
Oh, thank you.
You made a great job.
Thank you.
I just say approved.
Okay, thanks. So, thanks also to all the people that have sent us the proof of our recipes, because we received a lot of pictures and a lot of videos.
In particular, one great video
I'm going to share
by
tomorrow.
Frank and Anthony Ragusa, who made the pasta chi patate, potato pasta dish. Great job, guys.
And this is very, can I say, exciting.
Touching.
Yes, touching and exciting
Guys,
for me.
you are touching.
Yes, because when I can see a picture, I can receive a picture from you reproducing the dishes that we made, it's I'm speechless. This is wonderful because we can feel your love. This is amazing. So thanks again, and see you in the next days. Hang in there. Be positive. Be strong.
Don't forget it, guys. Out of the joke. We joke. We, how do you say? We try to be fun, but out of the joke. Be positive, guys. This is the most important thing. Perhaps someone, I don't know who exactly, but someone wants we to be afraid, to be worried. Forget everything what they say. Forget to look at TV, to watch TV. So try to find the best, the most important thing inside you.
Yes.
You are a source of energy, of power. So don't forget it, guys. This is the most important thing. And think positive. Think positive, because your immune system will thank you if you are positive. Rosella.
And see you in Sicily when everything will be okay. We are here waiting for you to plan your tour of Sicily, because this is our job, guys. We are Gianca is not
my job is enjoying Rosella's pasta dishes, but in normal condition I am a travel consultant, so I really hope this crazy situation will be over soon to start working on your tour, guys, again. So please, let's pray together that this crazy situation will be over and we will have the opportunity to meet each other, to hug and to spend special moments together.
Yes, because we miss you, you know. So we need to meet you, to stay
Please
healthy.
rescue me. Otherwise, I should spend all my life with Rosella. So I'm not ready. I'm not good to stay in a lockdown forever. So please pray for this crazy situation will be over. It will be my chance to go out.
Are you full of me, Gianca?
To breathe.
What are you saying?
She's good. She's a great cook, but I need to go out, guys.
You need
Please
to breathe.
help me. Guys, out of the job, we love you.
Thank you again. Stay tuned, share this live streaming, and we love you. So, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Ciao, ciao!